What's up, beautiful people of this world and from the Jamaica island? Yeah, this is a video. I'm a new blogger. I'm new to all of this vlogging thing, talking about things. I'm new to all of this, so I'm gonna ask you guys to just sit with me. Please sit with me, listen to what I have to say. Me maybe be important. Me maybe have some important thing to say. You know. So me I beg you, just follow me, listen to me, subscribe to my channel. You know, and just listen to what I have to say. Me nah come send no foolishness. You know, nothing like me. I pick side about nothing. Me nah do that. You know. That is not what me come. That is not what me come here to do. I don't come here to tell lies and point fingers. Me come here, me build this channel because me see what I want. Me see what I want. Me see all of the little style injustice and about Jamaica country, the land where me birth, the land where me come from. Mother and father birthed me. You know, me love my place. Me love where me come from. It's beautiful country, beautiful island. People them there are very nice, but the people them turn a different kind of. You know, them not look. Them just been deceived. Them just like to get deceived by hierarchies, high profile people like politicians, even entertainers, you know, artists and all of them. Me nah burn out no artists, do that, but the reason why I say artists is because artists say things in their songs that influence people, and you know. So I'm not here to blame any artist or nothing, so I don't want to go on that topic. That's a different topic for me to go into now. So this is my first video. I come to talk about the Michael Manley and the Andrew Holness thing, where Andrew Holness say Jamaica pay daily for what Michael Manley do, but down in the 80s there. So me as a in my 30s, you know, listen to my father say certain things. When me come from a labor right. Me surrounded by PMP, you know, a labor right here me come from. So me I go talk, and when me I talk, me not pick no side with no politics and no politician. Me not in that with them because pay foolish them I do, and them I sell out with land and I mash it up. So we just there to spit the facts, and no matter which party I rule I lead, and no matter which party me align to, me not align to no party. Me is a free man from Jamaica politics and them party business. Never vote yet, never go take them curry goat or them Heineken or them red stripe beer, never. Because me not in that. So me hear Andrew say Jamaica pay daily fee for Michael Manley do. But then, and me don't know too much about the history of that. But when me dig in so far, me can see that Michael Manley do one whole heap of things, much more things for the Jamaican people. That's why that's why they wanted to assassinate him like 3 times. You understand? Yeah. People must study the way of the world, you know. People not see what go on. Them not see. People just blindfolded. Is it get what I say? Blindfolded politician. Them give you politician for your believe and for tell we what to do. How can we trust some group of people that up, we think them they up, and then we elect them to do our work for we, make sure the economy stabilize and make sure everybody have job and make sure everybody have health care and everything. While that not in a full country Jamaica. that not in. I'm soon touch some more topic why I miss what me know or what me see. But me now go into it because this video will take long if me go into it. But them thing there is for another topic, you know. So we will know because me I go talk about this video me I do back when me start talk about what me I go talk about. You understand? So just get into it because if back then, even now, if me ask my father about this MICHEAL MANLEY and say I got thing, me honestly don't know what he would have think, what he would have said now, but back then when me usually ask him about, because I'm usually curious, he usually tell me MICHEAL MANLEY was him I'm not gonna say sell out, but like him had the problem. You understand? But no, my father never said that it was a politics problem. It was a green and orange. It was a green and a red problem that time, because that time was green and red. No, a green and orange. You understand? It was a green and red thing that time. Color, politics, party, JLP, PNP. You understand? Him not see that. Him not see which one of them do the great thing for the country. Him not see that. You understand? My father wasn't any brilliant kid where they in the school and everything, but you know why? Because the system never did it for them go to school. You understand? When time back in the days, when time slavery days done, people not get certain kind of schooling. You understand? A manly make sure certain things organize. You understand? And one time bigger heads see that, me not go into it and call no name and say nothing, but some bigger heads, them not come from full country, but them in our country. Them they all over the world. All the catastrophe are going around the world, them did it. But so I like them and call them out too, and make them know them. Some people might know which group of people may I talk about, because enough people know what going out the road about these kind of things with politician and president and police and you know everything. So that. And that being said, Andrew, what you say is foolish. It's total rubbish, and you are playing politics, Andrew. That is what most of the Jamaican people are playing, politics. You understand? Politics is just politics. You know, them now look upon what is right, what is wrong, and who will do the right and who will do the wrong. You understand? You don't have to switch from your party where you're doing, but who will do the right, you vote for them, man. You vote for them. You understand? If somebody right now, Andrew now do not right, it may be a bill to the road. It may be a bill to a road. And I make investors come in our country, but want to we as the Jamaican then if you invest, you can go at the bank and borrow 2 million and set up a good business. I want 3 million, I want 500,000. No. Him no make them things available. Him no make them things available. Him no organize nothing with banks. You understand? And loan givers. Him no organize nothing with them people there. It's all about fighting crime. Everything about fighting crime. We can't fight crime, and Jonas. You prevent crime, brother. Stop come out and tell the Jamaican people them boy I fight crime, brother. You understand? Who know are the crime makers in our country as politicians? Because we know the history we do know as politicians. We no buy guns and put in the street and give guns. You understand? It's a trend long time. We know that. Everybody know that. You understand? So I'm not coming off to talk not when nobody don't know. Certain things people might not know. Yeah, I may go talk. Because sometimes people know to think. You understand? On certain things. But if they have others like me and some other bloggers where me know, when me watch them, you understand? Big them up, you understand? But me I go call them name further down. Not now because I just wanna keep it this way for right now. Because yeah, you have some good bloggers out there where you watch them deal with straight up truth. You understand? And them show you things. You understand? And them point out things and make you see and make you look. Yeah, and when you look on it, you can analyze it and look on it and say, you are reading, and you look back in history and you look back on certain things. That's so me gain knowledge, So me gain knowledge. And it teaches me wisdom, so me kinda have this kinda IQ to see it. When time them a do folly. And when time them a play by them look slave master rules and them book. You understand? Because it's the same thing. People might think we come out of slavery days. We're not. Right now we're free, but we still oppressed as people by entities, politicians. Why we need some group of people to put our money, with tax money, to where them feel like they want to put it. Look where they want to put our tax money. If you see one report or there, 1 billion spent in crime. 1 billion? 1 billion on Holness? 1 billion? Big man thing, brother. You cannot spend 1 billion in a crime. And if you see what they spend 1 billion pound, like Russia will come boom up Jamaica, or like Cuba come boom up Jamaica, a tanker come like we are gonna go World War III or something because a big tanker. So may I wonder where that I go fire a shot. May I wonder where them I go do with that, because the missile now fire, From the days me live in Jamaica, me me don't know. Me only hear about the bomb dropping at the valley from out of the helicopter, but me never hear a missile fire. Well, if me never hear that, somebody can update me down in the comment section and make me know. You understand? So me never hear that yet. So me don't understand where Andrew do with $1 billion a fight crime. Fight crime with $1 billion. You know, prevent crime, Andrew. You rather forgive your MP them money for money figure rent bus and figure get people to come a campaign party. We don't have the money that time for get issue out 2,000, but when time it come for get up people we really need no help for get some little money a month time. We really should have depend some social help benefit. Not organize that because what want take the money for phone yourself and pinch and thief and make big house. And you Andrew can talk about get to people for have house and look on your house. Look on your house. You get 7 point something million a year time. You think 7 point something million a year time can get your house where you have? You think you can trick get to people? You can't trick get to people. Cause me know somebody where you can't trick that the 7 point something million where I get a year time, Andrew. Can't build that the house. No matter if you're there in a blouse and skirt seat for 3 years or some 4 years. Can't make you build that the house, Andrew. So you need to answer to the Jamaican people. You and your friend them, politician, a thief. I'm not afraid to say it. A thief. Just rob up taxpayer money. That do not do. That's what I always do. Rob up taxpayer money. Me never go into that. But me hear this hombre. Me hear upon Just Blex channel. Big up Just Blex. Me listen to your thing. You dopey story them and everything. Love them thing they sell off, man. Keep on do your thing, youth. You see me? Cause me like feel listen to your channel and watch your thing them and hear the dopey story them, you see me? Me hear Just Blex put up an interview with a hombre. PMP hombre. I talk about a councillor down a jungle. Me no remember. No one lie, me no remember where. But I in a town area. And when the man attack, it don't sound good. It's shocking for a councillor do that. The councillor either have money. Me I go play that on my channel. And me I go talk on it. You understand? So at them thing that they do, get the people. Them go inside and the community and make strive with other community, buy guns, politicians. Them usually back then the police force it was always corrupt. But it wasn't so corrupt like now. No, the police force is like a gangster organization in Jamaica. The police force. Yeah, man. It's a gangster organization, and the JCF and the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the Jamaica Defense Force, JDF, are two organizations we have gangs in it. We have gangs. Yeah, Labor Right and PNP gangs. Them a fight with party. Them a fight with party and them a fight with gangs out the road with gangsters, criminals. So you have a bunch of criminals in the force where the Prime Minister nah address. Them thing there, you nah address. Them you not hear them thing there why. You always only hear about get a youth and fight crime. When the biggest crime plan and the biggest crime doer them are in the force and sit down in the end of my house. The politician them, the liar them. And one of the damn crime organizer in Jamaica. And all I don't know that. Hear that? All I don't know that. Wanna get paid for abuse on the brothers and sisters. Wanna get paid for carry down back in a slavery days. Wanna get paid for those like shit. Politician. Is not good. Cause a dog eat dog thing you know deal with, you know. Dog eat dog. You understand? When you can have a man like Andrew Holness, Michael Manley could have been great grandfather. I'm not gonna talk about Manley like that. If you talk about Manley like that, brother, Manley do some things, brother. Me talk as a labor right, brother. Me not labor right. Me come from labor right constituency. As all what me know about labor right. But me grew up enough to understand say yo, let go that. Kick with that. Politics thing I got them politician. I'm a born politician and politics man. You get what me I say? Yeah man, me see what I go on, you know. So Andrew fit I come talk about Jamaica paid daily for Michael Manley. Miss up. Michael Manley do not miss up. Michael Manley now driving on a big Jeep and wife are driving on a big Jeep. You look pan where your wife are drive. Michael Manley living on a big house. Michael Manley was no enemy to it. The man was all about Jamaica. Man was all about fixing Jamaica and the Jamaican people, them brother. So Andrew, shame upon you, brother, man. Shame upon you. I don't even want to call him my brother. Because you no man where try to slave you out and to sell you out and can't work, brother. No. You know why? Otherwise, from Manley, Siaga, me I go in a Siaga thing now. Siaga. People love him and respect him. You know why? Them say the devil come in all side sort of shape and form. Me talk as a labor right, you know. Me usually love Siaga, man. Because my father, I love him. But me see what him have done. Me see what him did. And what him did wasn't good for the Jamaican people. It wasn't good. Him take paid for overthrow a man was doing something great for our country. Him Siaga should have come in and join with Manley. That him should have do. If him did want to see Jamaica get good. But him come and create politics more hotter. So the guns then start coming. From that. Yeah. That's why you hear Bob Marley say Rasta nah deal with no CIA. And them bring in the gun them. CIA them bring in the gun in Jamaica. And come with Siaga. So I saw the rival thing start in Jamaica. But Jamaican people stick to their history and stick to the African history and stick to what we got through. Them stick to that. It just come like a foreign land. Then just want they this American lifestyle. You know. A stir from the real truth. You know. Because you see America, them have no culture there. One culture, they have a gun culture there. Fifth Amendment, and then talk about them amendment. And the stupidest bunch of people miss upon these certain Americans. Them not see what go on in the country where they live. Them not see say them was put there for people, black and white, clash against each other. And people don't see that. I have a whole heap of things to talk about. If we go in at that topic, that is a different topic again. But me I talk about the Jamaica thing and the politics thing we are going. Enough thing me see, and me I go talk. Me can't talk in a one video. So I just come for highlight that Mr. Anjones, you me don't know what to say. You done wrong. You say wrong. I don't see what you have done for the Jamaican people, because you can't even say you build road. That is not nothing. You can build road and people not have car. People not have car. Yeah. People driving a bus and taxi and everything. But the taxi them not roll on the highway them for pay toll. You think taxi I got pay toll? Everyone of the damn bro them with a bill and a toll. If you make money, it's not for the people them to drive, you know. So the traffic can be stabilized. You understand? People now go on there, tourists alone go on there on a big man who have no money. Poor people can, a man who have them ladder, a man have them BMC, or a man have them bike. I want shot it go a watch, or shot it go town, or shot it go movie. They can't go there, Andrew. Poor people can't go there. Be a rich man a drive there and tourists a drive there. Brother, that your belly for. So tell the Jamaican people say that your belly for. Your belly for tourists, cause tourist sector big. Your belly for tourists come drive, brother. But you tell them you want them to drive on clean and nice road and go with them and go travel from to and from good. Yeah. So stop talk about your build road, big man. You know building a road, a China they come build road. Because the Chinese them a come take over and them a go want do them thing. And them a want road for drive pan. Big highway. Because that's how them live. That's what them see. Good road, good thing over where they live. You understand? So stop fooling Jamaican people them boy but you build road. A road alone me can say, cause you know build, me not see no school a build, me not see no factory me should I say. Me not see no factory a build for nothing. If you want to do something, brother, me I can give you an education video. Pa investing. If you want to say you want to do something for Jamaica, I go give you an educational video pa ideas, brother. You understand? So me just want to say Honest, go back down in the history and take your head from somewhere. Yeah? Take your head from somewhere. I don't know where your head there. And I don't know where your history there. So I go sign off, sorry. I go sign off by saying this. Bless up to everybody. And subscribe, like, share, and comment. And just come raise with me. Say what you have to say down in the comment section. I want to hear what I have to say, people. Because it can't go so. Jamaican people, may I tell you now, you have to listen, brother. You have to listen. Move away from politics. Move away from politics. Now I'm going to make you no better, may I tell you now. So one time when I see that Jamaican people, you not go see result. Remember that. You not go see result because they can't come bomb me because you don't want to vote, you know. Just listen to me, I say, Jamaican people. Love you all, man. You know, my people, man. Just walk in and love. Yeah. And bless up, man. Day and just love. Hear that? Bless.